Now we are going to learn how to draw root 3. For that the first steps are same. For if you want to draw root 3, first we have to draw root 2. Okay. So let me explain. So there is a right angle triangle as we discussed earlier. Its one side is root 2 and this side is 1. Then please tell me what is the length of this hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to root of base squared plus altitude squared. So we can write it as root of root 2 squared plus 1 squared. The square of root 2 is 2 and square of 1 is 1. So this is root 3. That means we got it as root 3. Okay. That is, if we want to draw root 3, first we have to draw root 2. Like that, if we want to draw root n, we have to draw root n minus 1. Clear? If you want to draw root 10, first we have to draw root 9. Clear? And if you want to draw root 15, first we have to draw root 14. So here for drawing root 3, we are going to start with root 2. So first step is similar. We are drawing a straight line and marking some points. It is 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So I think you guys know how to draw root 2. Okay, the first step is, let us take a 90 degree at 1, 90 degree at 1, because for starting root 2 we need root 1. Root 1 is 1 itself. Now we take 1 centimeter on the scale and mark 1 centimeter here. Join this point with 0. Okay, now we got a now we got a triangle. We are just transferring that point to our main scale. This is one method. From here onwards we can go with the two methods. There is one method, so we transfer this to the main number line. Then from that number line again we draw a perpendicular. That is from this point. Draw a perpendicular from the root 2. Okay, again take 1 centimeter. And this is 1 centimeter point. Join this point with 0, not with 1, with 0. Okay, then transfer that point to your number line. Okay, so how can we check is it correct or not? The value of root 3 is 1.732, that is almost equal to 1.75. So we may get somewhat value near to 1.7. See, here we got the value as 1.8. Okay, approximately that is 1.732. It is greater than 1.7. So it comes between 1.7 and 1.8. That means our construction is correct. So this is one method, that is first draw root 2. First we draw the root 2. From the root 2 we draw a perpendicular line and take 1 centimeter and mark that point. Join that point to O. Then transfer that point to the number line. We got root 3 here, and here we got minus root 3. There is another method that I am going to explain that also now. So first we start with the same steps. Draw a straight line. mark points with 1 centimeter distance and take 1.0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So if you want a clear picture, it is better you take 2 centimeter as a unit distance instead of 1 centimeter. And again we are taking a perpendicular at 1, take 1 centimeter or 1 unit, join the line. Up to this point both methods are same. From here there is a difference. So instead of transferring the line to here and draw a perpendicular, we are drawing the perpendicular here itself. Okay, then again here we take 1 centimeter here, okay, and joining this point with 0, and now this is root 3. So we are transferring that root 3 to number line. That's correct. Okay, this is root 3. This is another method. So there are two methods for drawing root 3. Okay, first one is just take the perpendicular from the number line itself and draw the root 3, and next one is draw the perpendicular from this point and find the root 3 and then transfer that to the number line. There are both methods are using, whichever method is convenient for you, you can use it.